Also in this video, I have a freaky flashing light phenomena update to share with you guys. The map here in the United States is now at an even 400 examples, and I have 500 to go globally that I'm going to share with you guys slowly but surely. And starting off, video number 1 out of San Antonio, Texas, sent in by Chris G. Sitting at an intersection, noticed lights flashing across the intersection, and then as he crossed the intersection, noticed even more. I mean, this is going on all around the world. I'm getting videos in every single day. And I got to thinking today as I was watching some more of these videos come in, are these bees maybe sensing something that these lights are sensing? I don't know. I read where electromagnetic frequencies can interfere with bees. So I'm wondering if there's some sort of frequency interfering with these lights. I've also looked into the idea of what's known as dirty electricity. Electricity that's not flowing evenly, basically. That's flowing in spurts and causing malfunctions like we're seeing right here. That's known as dirty electricity. I mean, it's a little more complex than that, but that's the gist of it. Here's video number 2 sent in by Stacy out of Las Vegas, Nevada from last night. She walks this area every night and has never seen this light flashing until now. She's seen the videos of the flashing lights all around the world, but this was her first encounter with a malfunctioning light in her area. It was even turning green at times, like the flow of electricity was being interfered with. Video number 3 out of Miramar, Florida, sent in by Joanna. Lights flashing all over the place. There's one there, one down here, another one on down the road. Once again, multiple lights flashing for unknown reasons, rogue and random. This next video has narration sent in by Vincent Photography out of Hazlet, New Jersey. Here we go.
Oh my God, the lights are flashing here too. What the hell is going on? Something going on. Look at that.
Lights flashing all over that very large parking lot. Speaking of large parking lots, in case you missed it, for you guys that are new to this flashing light phenomenon that's occurring all around the world, this is one of the largest events I've received so far. Sent in by Denise C. out of Texas. Goes back to January of 2025. This has been going on since November. November is when it kicked into high gear. I hadn't received any flashing light videos all year long in 2024 until November. Get a load of this here. Are you serious? This is covering many acres. And it's one of the biggest examples that I've received so far. Wow. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. Something is interfering with the flow of electricity. You can't tell me that all the sensors on all of these lights all went bad at exactly the same time. There's no way. Once again, rogue and random. This is happening all over the earth. This next segment was sent in by Rockstar Preacher. In case you guys missed it, this video's out of Shreveport, Louisiana. This one made it to the news.
It's creepy. Whole neighborhood lights breaking off and on.
And to the best of my knowledge, this is the first news station that's picked up this flashing light phenomena. They're saying that a storm went through here and took out the power. But I've seen enough power outages over the years to know that when there's a power outage, the power is out. The power doesn't blink intermittently. So me personally, I believe this is yet another example of these freaky flashing lights that once again are occurring all around the world.